Hi, Chris Thompson here again from the Amiga Guide. Before we start, I'd like to say thank you to Valk for subscribing. I've now got 18 subscribers. Thank you for that. And to remind anybody else who has not subscribed yet to smash that subscribe button, ring that bell for notifications, and let's get on with the video. So today I will be updating my AmigaOS 3.2 to AmigaOS 3.2.1, which is the latest update from Hyperion, which was released last week. So I've already, it came as an LHA. I downloaded it as an LHA. I've actually already extracted it because it took a while, because there's a load of ADF images on there and whatnot. So if I go into my work folder, I have a updates 3.2.1 folder, and you'll see there's a folder with all the ADFs, and there's also the updated versions of the ROMs. So for now I will go into the ADFs and look for the one that actually installs it. So you got update 3.2.1 ADF. Now I should be able to double click on that and mount it, which, yeah, that's mounted now, and I can click on that and there's an install folder with all different ones for different languages. So I'll click on English. That brings up this program updates hard drive installations of Amiga operating system 3.2 to release 3.2.1, and then there's an option to proceed or abort installation. Obviously I'm going to proceed, so let's click proceed, and then it gives set installation mode, novice user, all actions are automatic, intermediate user, limited manual control, or expert user must confirm all actions. I'll just do intermediate, so then it'll give me a little bit of, I can put things here, can put things there, sort of thing. Don't want to do expert and have to put everything in, but anyway, so proceed with install for real, or pretend to install. Well, I don't want to pretend to install, I want to really install it. So proceed. Update 3.2.1 will now be installed on your hard drive. Any previous release 3.2 files will be replaced. Do you want update 3.2.1 installed in the AmigaOS 3.2 partition? Yes. Which languages should be updated? English, which is automatically done anyway. Proceed. Should the following files be moved to the AmigaOS old drawer? Startup sequence. Yes, move that. And that's now updating. This may take a while, So I will stop the video here and come back to it when it's finished doing its thing. Okay, so that's installed some of the files. It's now asking me to identify my hardware model. Well, it's already chose A1200 for me, so it must know what my system is already. It's an A1200, that's correct. Proceed. And that's going back into copying files. Oh, okay. So the installation of update 3.2.1 is now complete. To enable release 3.2.1, you must reboot your Amiga. Okay, so I won't actually reboot it yet because I'm going to actually copy. Oh, it's actually rebooted for me anyway. I think it will actually still work with the old ROM, but I'm still gonna switch over to the old ROM. Let's see if it does work with the old ROM. Is it booting? Yep, it's booting. It's actually got rid of my my little boot up screen that I've added to there, but it's saved my startup script anyway, so I can just put my old startup script back in there and it should work again. Is it doing anything? Yeah, there we go. And because it ain't got my old script, it's coming up with all my other drives in there, which I don't want to actually show under this. But anyway, so if I now go into About then, it still says I'm on the 3.2 ROM, which I am. But it's saying it's release 3.2.1. So now I'm going to put the new ROM, sort out the new ROM with this. So I don't actually use physical 3.2 ROMs. I've got a card by AmigaKit which has flash, so I actually have my ROMs on there. You can actually put ROMs onto an EEPROM and use an EEPROM burner and put actual physical ROMs in there, but I've actually got the original ROMs in here, which are the 3.0 ROMs. But if I go into my tools and flash config, so flash configurator, and there I've got Kickstart 3.2 custom ROM, which is what I'm using at the moment. So let's add to this a configuration then. So create config, call this Amiga. How have I got the other ones? Oh, what are the other ones? The other configurations called. Did I put a space with them or not? I didn't call them AmigaOS, I just called them Kickstart. Okay, so if I create a config. I don't know, I've created another config. I've already just created a config, never mind. Kickstart 3.2.1 and set this to default config so that it'll boot into that automatically. Contents, I need to find where the new ROMs are. So if we go into volumes, work, and update 3.2.1, ROMs. Okay, so then that comes up with all the different ROMs, which I don't need all of them. I'm on an A1200. There's an A1200 high bin and an A1200 low bin. Those I don't need. Those are for if you're actually burning the actual physical Kickstart ROMs and you have two of them. So there's a high ROM and a low ROM. What I need is the one that's just called .rom. That's the one I actually need. So if I click, I haven't got enough space. Okay, so what I'm going to have to do then is I will have to switch over to my I'll have to switch over to 3.0 so then I can delete the oh no, hang on a second, I won't do that. I will delete 3.1.4. Let's delete that. So remove that ROM. Yes. And save to flash. Okay, that hopefully should have gave me some space. And it did. So I've now got the A1200, so I've got the new ROM in there. So if I go into configurations now, and I should now be able to drop that into there. I will also put move VBR in there and the non-volatile library in there, which I think I have that set up like that in my 3.2, do I? Yeah, that's exactly how I've got it set up in that one. And save to flash. Okay, now if I reboot, this should, fingers crossed, boot into the new ROM. it's definitely booting. Takes a while. There we go. Okay, so if I now go to about then, it still says I'm on 3.2 ROM. Go back into my configuration again. See if I did it correct. Default config. So it's 47.102 is the ROM. What's it saying I'm on? It's saying I'm on 4796. No, that's not right. Why is it doing that then? That's very strange. I wonder if I can remove. If I remove the 3.2 custom ROM, will it let me? Can't remove 3.2 custom ROM as it's currently in use. Well, it shouldn't be, because I've told it to boot from this. I will try turning the system completely off instead of doing a reset. Turning it back on again and see if that makes any difference. If it doesn't, I'll end the video here and then I'll make like an update to the video to see if I got it working or not. I'll tack a little update video to say that I got it working and whatnot. So let's go into the about again. No, it still says I'm using... Oh, no! No! It has actually updated it now. Kickstart version 47.1.102. Ah, nice. So that is actually using that one now. It still says AmigaOS 3.2 at the top, like, but It actually isn't, because it says release 3.2.1. Great. Okay. So, we're in business. So, that's how you install AmigaOS 3.2.1. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.